guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, it's a BOXYCHARM. I almost said
a BOXYCHARM unboxing.
No, that's not me. That's Kathleen Lights. Today, we are unboxing my BOXYCHARM box. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box, then let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, my box had some rough times getting here. There's a freaking hole in it almost. Looks like somebody like punched it. Took like 17 days to get here, and I'm not even exaggerating, and it's very irritating. But this month's theme is lucky. Obviously, St. Patrick's Day, which was yesterday. The first thing that I was so excited to see in my box is this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It looks so cute. Like, I can't get over it. A soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-allergenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chai seed, magnesium, turmeric, and chica, I guess that's how you say it. It's a recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. This smells exactly like banana cream pudding or something like that. I don't know. It just smells so good if you are like a big banana person. This I actually really loved. It felt so good on the skin, like hydrating and smooth and just creamy. I don't know. Although I do have to say that my face is like really looking flaky. I don't know if it's because of that. Probably not, because that's very hydrating. But if you watch my channel, you know that I have very oily skin, and I recently just started putting on creams that I got from my dermatologist that dry the ever-living shit out of my face. I will be like cracking right in here. I'll go to take a bite of something to eat and I'll just be like, it's honestly painful. So I don't know how to deal with this dry skin, so it's kind of weird and different. But if that's why you see, like, I don't know if you can see it, dry flakiness on my skin, that is why, is because I don't know what the heck to do with dry skin. So yes. Anyway, this little Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Cream was $39. Next, we have this Saffron, I think that's how you say it, Saffron Botanicals Apple Plus Fumey Glow Lip Mask. I actually have this on right now. It feels real good. I'm just gonna add some more because it just feels so good. It smells like there's a scent of apple in there for sure, but then it also kind of smells like a waxy crown. I don't know. I think that's it, like apple plus a waxy crown. So the scent is like kind of weird, but I think it's still like okay. But the feel, oh my gosh, it just feels so good. It kind of is a little like sandy or grainy, so I don't know if there's anything in here that makes it feel like that. Let me see. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot plus jujube and rosehip oils that work to keep lips chapped free, soothed and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. I think the like kind of texture in it is the part where it kind of says it helps dead skin, and this was $25. Put this in my little skincare routine kit. Okay, next we have the Luna Magic Los Angeles / New York 4-piece brush set. Comes in a little like reflective, colorful bag, and you get 4 brushes. You get kind of a flatter tack-on brush, a smaller shading brush, bigger shading brush, and then kind of like a, kind of looks like a highlight or a blush brush. You'd probably use it for whatever. Anyway, those were $18, and we're gonna use those to apply our new eyeshadow. This is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. I was kind of expecting to get most of these products in my box because I've watched so many BOXYCHARM boxes waiting for mine to get here. I've never used a Lime Crime palette, or I've never used anything actually. So this is like a cardboard box. This is really thick for an eyeshadow palette, I feel like, but you do get a mirror, so that's pretty good. You just got some very nice purpley hue tones in here. This palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthy brown shades. This ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. This dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. Let's test out these with this and see what kind of look we can get. Oh, and this palette was $38. I don't know if I love this palette. I'll probably end up giving it to my cousin, but we're gonna test her. We're gonna test her. Okay, this palette, it's pretty. It makes a pretty look. Like this kind of duochrome shade is probably everything. Like I loved it. It looks so lighter in the pan than when it showed up. I don't know if that's because I applied it kind of over a purpley shade, but I thought it was gonna be more white, but it's like more pinky purpley, but it's really pretty. I don't feel like they blended out the best, which could have been these brushes. I wasn't really the biggest fan. I mean, they're not bad if they're the only brushes that you have, but I have brushes that are better, and so I'm probably just gonna give these away to my cousin. And as for the palette, like I said, like it didn't blend as great, I feel like, because of the brushes, or it may be because of my dry skin. Like it's very patchy, and I don't know, I just feel like it didn't blend. It kind of like stuck in places, which could very well be my skin because it's kind of just acting real cray-cray lazy.
Cray-cray lazy? What the heck?
Cray-cray lately. So yeah, there is the eye look. And then our last item in our box is the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 lip gloss. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. It says, remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel? Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed. We took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky, glittery gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable, high shine formula that you'll actually want to wear. So we'll see how this goes. That's actually really pretty, and I didn't even like put anything on other than this, as in like lip liner or a liquid lipstick or anything like that. Like I just went straight into this from my lip mask, and I actually like it. It's very kind of pigmented. It's a very good nude for me. I feel like I really like this. It doesn't feel tacky like it says. Glittery, no, it's not glittery. It's glossy, which I don't mind. Nourishing oils, I'm all about that. So yeah, give me all of that. I actually really like this product. This is in the shade Honey. Like I feel like this is the perfect shade for me. And this was $16. She cute. She is cute. Okay, time to add up the box. Oh my god, I didn't even finish the rest of my makeup. What a weirdo. Okay, let's try this again. The banana souffle cream, which was probably my top favorite item in this box, tied for with the lip gloss, was $39. The Souffle Botanicals lip mask was $25. The Luna Magic brush set that I've already put in my bag to give to my cousin was $18. The Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette was $38. And the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 lip gloss was $16 for a total of $136. That is a really good box. All I paid was $25 for this box, and it was sent right to my house. So yeah, if you liked any of these products or got any of these in your box, leave a comment down below. I want to know what you guys thought of them. Like I said, these were probably my two favorite things in the box, although I did really like the lip mask too. So probably these three things I will be keeping, and I'll give the other two to my cousin. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, alright, we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile. What else do I say? Why can't I not pronounce any of these freaking words? Loogie. My list, or oh my god. Why do I do that? Oh, excuse me. Let's go pump some weights. Let's go get my back swole. Why can I not be serious? Like, why?